What are we doing today?
Building generational wealth.
Fixing the patio door on our Colorado rental while our guests are at work because we are the handyman women.
Yeah, she called me a handy man. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the Galaxy Getaway. Come check out the views and help us fix this patio door.
Okay. Now I got nothing.
Okay. So, if you ever notice, there's a little hole down here that you can put a screwdriver in and it will raise up your door or lower it down to help it get out of the door jamb.
You said stop it with anything? Or?
No, just like see if it's like getting
Okay.
to the point.
Here, try it again. And then you're gonna have to pull it out.
I can sort of do
Okay. But I was hoping to wedge it a little bit. Oh.
What?
It's like coming over here. The hammer?
Alright.
Okay, that's good.
How many Home Depot trips do you think it's gonna take? One. Okay. Our Home Depot is hit or miss because it's a small town Home Depot. We have to find a patio door lock this monstrous size. The next closest Home Depot is Farmington, which is an hour away. So cross your fingers.
Well, Home Depot was a bust. We didn't find the part, but we did find the Durango Silverton train.
Looks pretty full.
Okay, so Home Depot was a bust, but we decided to just put the handle back on, and I have the part on order now. Also, we love the view. I need to raise the door back up.
Right, and that'll work.
Yeah.
And I need to measure. 643
That works now.
Yeah, kind of. Okay. Can you put it down there? That's where it goes now.
Looks a bit too small.
Done. You gotta go. What's next? 1, 2, 3, go.